Welcome to the Hard Reset channel. Today I will show you how to set a custom notification sound on the Honor X5c Plus. So first of all, go to Settings, or if you don't have the shortcut here, simply scroll down from the top right corner and press this little gear to open Settings. In Settings, go to Sounds and Operation. Here scroll down to the notification tone option. Click on it. You can select from a variety of pre-installed sounds or use the one you have recorded or downloaded. Go to Music and Device to select a custom ringtone and select the audio file you have. Now that you've selected it, go back. As you can see, it's right here. And here it says notification tone, add the audio file. I have a custom notification sound. Thanks for watching, subscribe to the Hard Reset channel for more videos, leave a like, leave a comment, and goodbye.